are you all doing? Thank you so much for joining me on yet another video. I have a small mark here. I had a little accident while fixing a wig the other day. I got burnt by a hot comb, but it's healing pretty well, so that's why I have this mark here. Anyway, I am coming to you from my client's closet. I am about to start a very thorough, proper closet decluttering. This is what I call a total wardrobe makeover, because we're gonna remove everything in this closet. Everything starting from this point to the far end at the back to this other side. We are going to remove everything because she just feel like she needs to start the year light, need to get rid of clothes she's not been wearing for a year plus, and she just want to change her style, change her taste. So I was here a couple of years, maybe 2 or so years, did a makeover, but most of the things I left here she's not worn. So that's why we are doing another closet makeover. Come along with me, stay with me, and let's declutter this closet together. Some of these tops are still pretty new. Some of them have only been worn once or twice. Some have never been worn, like this one. But I'm thinking, what's the point of keeping them if they've never been worn? This has been worn for sure, that I know, because I saw her when she wore that. So that's basically what I'm doing here, going through everything, and the idea is to remove everything from the closet. Then if there's need to return anything, then we will return the few pieces that we need to return. But as it is now, I'm basically removing everything. from the first section of the closet, just the down part of the first section, and look at all those hangers. But before we go to the upper part of the closet, which is equally packed, I am going to clean the lower part of the closet, because sometimes the closet really collect dust. And before I return anything back to the closet, I always make sure that I wipe it clean, make sure that it's so neat, because I don't want to return anything back to a closet that is not clean. So this is one of the things that I always do before I return clothes back to the closet.
To make it lighter.
Kutoa hiyo line itakuwa see through.
It's so heavy.
The pants. I think also pia ni quality of the fabric.
The fabric is heavy also.
It's also the quality of the fabric.
Please, tutoe hii pale.
Unataka the pants?
The pants napenda.
Yeah, I think they are fine with that line.
With this? Na inakuwa too bulky. So sportswear ni nini? Kando ni nini? Niko na confidence. Nimetoa nguo ninatembea uchi.
Siko kwa nyumba.
Mimi.
Yeah. We're in the house.
I'm getting back though.
You're supposed to be free in the house. Yeah. Oh. Hizi nini ziko hapa juu unazivanga kweli? Do you ever reach out to these things? To these shirts up here?
Kama sasa hiyo ni ndogo. But I love it. This one is more than maybe 8 years. That one also 6 years.
Unafikanga hizi unachukua unavaa?
6 years.
Unafikanga huku juu unazichukua unavaa?
Sangapi?
Because they don't look like they've been worn in recently. Yeah. Zinakaa.
I think hizo usingetoa kwa hanger.
Zinajaza tu closet but hazivaliwi.
So utafanya nazo nini?
Hiyo ndio kitu nafikiria hapa. What will we do with this thing? Wiping. This is the topmost part of the closet near the ceiling, and as you can see, it's very dusty because it's rarely wiped, and those are the clothes that I've gotten out of the closet. I had to like climb a ladder to reach this part of the closet, or rather to reach this top of the closet to be able to wipe it, because it doesn't make sense to wipe the whole closet, to clean the whole closet and not clean this top part of the closet. So I just thought it would be nice to also just clean this topmost of the closet. We've gotten a lot of shirts, a lot of tops, and now I am high up wiping the shelves and making sure that they are clean and ready for any returning clothes. I love how it's looking. It's so empty. This is so beautiful. It's going to be easy to return clothes back in here because we now will be aware of what we are returning. And this is just one part of the closet. We are yet to get into the second part of the closet, this part with the pants, and there are quite many, as you can see. Then before I do anything else, I'm just going to get them out of the closet so that I can create a space to just do the next part of the closet, which is the second part. This is what we've already gotten out of just one section of the closet. All this pile. It's a total closet decluttering. We are getting rid of 90%, if not 100%, of everything in a closet. So this is just the first section, and we have like 2 more sections to go, 3 suitcases to look at. So you can imagine what we would have gotten rid of by the time I'm done. We are thinking of what to do with these clothes because a number of them are new. Some she's worn once, some she's never worn. So we are still thinking of what to do with them. Hopefully by the time I'm done with this decluttering, would have come up with a way of making good use of these clothes. The options we are looking at is 1, reselling them. Second option is if we can trade them in for some of the pieces she'll be getting. So I'll probably tell you what we'll do with them, and if you follow me on social media, I will update you on the way forward with these clothes because they are really in good condition. 90% of them are in good condition. It's just that she needs a new style. She needs to change her look. She needs to change her entire closet, and some of these clothes she's not been wearing. So what's the point of keeping them? We want to get her something that she will enjoy wearing. She will have fun wearing. A staple pieces like capsule pieces is what we are going for.